The 2012 Mazda 3. The 2010 Car and Driver's 10 Best Award winner. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, front air conditioning, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.